This is the Elk and Friends stainless steel cups for kids. And I find these are really great for your kids to be able to drink milk or juice or whatever you're gonna give them. It's a nice alternative to a sippy cup. I find it works great for kids about 3 and up. And what I love about these is that it's got a nice lid that locks in place, so it's very secure. You've got the straw, it's a silicone straw, so these are easy to wash and reuse multiple times. It goes into the cup here, a plastic lid, but then the cup itself is actually stainless steel. And that's really great because it means that it's easy to clean, and also if they drop this on the ground, it's very sturdy. It's not something that's gonna shatter like a glass. So it's basically almost like a mason jar, except stainless steel instead of glass. But then it still has this nice kind of grippy cover on the outside. So it's easy for those little hands to grab onto. They get a good grip on it, and they're not gonna necessarily spill it easily. But if they do drop it, then you're not gonna have to worry so much because again, it's very sturdy stainless steel. And also there's really just not that much space for liquid to come out. So if you knock it over and dump it upside down, it will spill, but even if you knock it onto its side like this, which of course your kids are gonna do, then it's still not really a problem because this straw mostly blocks the hole there. If you want, when you remove the lid, and show you the inside here, you can also put the straw in from the inside. You can see it's actually got this little kind of lip thing to it. And you can see the inside here, also stainless steel. So you can actually put the straw in from the other side, and that makes it even more secure because even if they pick the cup up from the straw, this little lip stops it from pulling out of the cup. So it's really up to you. If you want your kid to be able to easily remove the straw, then you can put it in like I did initially. If you want them to kind of have it locked in place, again, you can put that to the inside. And when they go to lift it by the straw, it's actually gonna pick the whole cup up because it's in there, and that also provides better leak and spill protection. So overall, really great. I've been using these for about a year with my kids, and I find that they work really well.